Hey everyone! Welcome back to Preyo Promo. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a link post on Reddit in a simple and easy step-by-step way. Let's jump right into it. Step 1. Open Google Chrome on your device. Step 2. In the search bar, type reddit.com and press search. Step 3. Once Reddit opens, tap on the create icon. Step 4. Click on the link option. Step 5. Write your post title in the title box. Step 6. Copy the link you want to share. Step 7. Paste that link into the link URL field. Step 8. Finally, tap on Post, and you're done. Your Reddit link post is now successfully created. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Preyo Promo for more easy and professional tech guides. See you in the next video.